In the quest for a spotless home, the Eureka 100 portable carpet and upholstery cleaner emerges as a beacon of cleaning efficiency, offering a seamless solution to tackle stubborn spots and stains with ease. With its powerful spray, scrub, and suction capabilities, combined with a large tank capacity and reach design, this compact cleaner is poised to revolutionize your cleaning routine. Let's delve into what makes the Eureka 100 a must-have addition to your home cleaning arsenal. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Effortless deep cleaning. Say goodbye to stubborn spots and stains with the Eureka 100 carpet and upholstery cleaner. Equipped with a high water return rate, this powerhouse cleaner effortlessly penetrates deep into carpets, upholstery, and car interiors, delivering a thorough and effective clean with every use. From pet accidents to everyday spills, the Eureka 100 tackles even the toughest messes with ease, leaving your surfaces looking like new. Dual tank system for extended cleaning sessions. With its dual tank system, the Eureka 100 boasts a generous 57 Oz clean water tank capacity and a 27 Oz dirty water tank capacity, ensuring longer uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Say goodbye to frequent refills and hello to extended cleaning power, allowing you to tackle large areas with ease and efficiency. Extended reach for hard-to-reach areas. Thanks to its 5 feet hose and 16 feet cord, the Eureka 100 offers extended reach to tackle even the hardest to reach areas. Whether you're cleaning stairs, upholstery, or tight corners, this portable cleaner ensures that no spot goes untouched, giving you the freedom to clean with ease and precision. Powerful spray and suction. The Eureka 100 combines powerful spray, scrub, and suction to effectively eliminate a wide spectrum of messes. From stubborn pet accidents to common daily spills, this versatile cleaner tackles them all with ease, leaving your surfaces spotless and refreshed. Say goodbye to unsightly stains and hello to a brighter, cleaner home with the Eureka 100. Refreshingly scented cleaning solution. Not only does the Eureka 100 remove tough stains, but it also infuses your space with a bright and refreshing scent during the cleaning process. Say goodbye to lingering odors and hello to a fresh, clean home with every use. Plus, the easy maintenance design of the Eureka 100 ensures hassle-free cleaning tool and water tank maintenance, making it a breeze to keep your cleaner in top condition. In conclusion, the Eureka 100 portable carpet and upholstery cleaner is a game-changer in the world of home cleaning appliances. With its powerful cleaning capabilities, extended reach design, and easy maintenance features, it empowers you to achieve a deep, thorough clean with ease and efficiency. Don't miss out on the opportunity to revolutionize your cleaning routine with the Eureka 100, your ticket to a cleaner, fresher home with minimal effort. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.